All right, y'all, so we're here to do some makeup, and this is my 2024 go-to makeup routine. I literally just discovered this routine like the other day. When I did say discover, like I just like randomly put all this makeup on, and I won't say all this makeup because it's not that much, and I was like floored like how much I loved it. So let's just get right to it. Let's talk through it. I'm not using any primer or anything. The first thing I'm going in with was the Lancome Serum Sealer. I low-key really want to try the Fenty one. I use the shade 450W, and I'm going to show you all the places I apply it. I go right here under the eyes. I do a little bit back there. I used to didn't get like why people did that, but now I do. I'm going to do a little bit right here, down my nose, right here, side of my nose, boop boop, little thing right here. And literally this video might be like 2 seconds long because it literally doesn't take me no time to do this. I'm also have somewhere to be. This is the OG Sculpted Complexion Stick, and I use the shade Sequoia 13.5C. So this is basically like supposed to be my foundation. I feel like because it's wintertime, my skin tone is a little bit lighter, but I could definitely like make this work as a foundation if I wanted to. But the way I'm using this today is as my like bronzer type of situation. So I'm gonna do like a stripe here, a stripe here, and that's kind of like on my cheekbones, and then I do a stripe there, and I'm gonna do 2 down the sides of my nose. This is really perfect too though for like you're going to work or you're going somewhere running out really quick. Like this has become like my go-to like makeup, like just I'm running out the house, boom 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 boom. Like I can do this like so fast now. Like I did it one day and then I just like kept doing it over and over again with all these exact same products because I just liked how these products worked together and looked. I'm taking my concealer again and I just make a line underneath where I put that contour stuff. Now I'm gonna go in and do my brows. This is the velour brow pencil, but y'all, I think they discontinued it, so I'll link other brow pencils that I like down below. I'm so happy I have backups of this. But I do think they discontinued this product because some of y'all, well, I noticed like when I would try to link this product, I could never find it anymore in any of my recent videos. And then even for like some of my old videos where I did have it linked, y'all would come back and be like, hey girl, like just so you know, the link for the brow thing is broken. And I'm like, girl, I think it's gone. Because it has like a spoolie, it has a brow pencil, and then it has like this little balm on the end that you can use to like slick down your brow. It's so nice. I'm sorry, I'm gonna stop talking about it because y'all can't get it. Okay, so I'm gonna take a stiff little brush, like a foundation brush. This is the complexion brush from Amicole. So nice, I love this. And I'm gonna start to blend out my foundation slash bronzer that I have on here. And today I'm going to a breakfast with my dad. My dad is in town visiting me. I'm going to a tea with my mom, and that's it. And I'm coming home after that. To me, like the perfect look. Like I wore this to dinner the other night with my parents. Like it's just such a nice little look. So I'm blending out like the bronzer stuff. Well, I know we look a little crazy. Blending that out. I have not been using a small brush for my concealer lately. I usually use that for like if my concealer is like if I'm doing like a full glam. Day to day I use this bigger brush. This is from Mented. This is like their foundation brush, I believe it is. And I just go in and kind of just like blend in my concealer that way. So I'm not as like super like precise with it anymore like I used to be, like where my brush used to be like super small and I would just like have to sit and blend for a minute. I use this bigger brush and I feel like it's been working for me. I haven't been looking crazy, I don't think. Y'all tell me at the end of this video if y'all think I look crazy. But it's been working for me. What is that? Also, if y'all see this little dot on my lip, I don't know if y'all can even really see it that much. I just rinsed my hair. Girl, how about I done got rinse on my lip? I don't even know how I did that. So with this little piece down here, I just kind of like slide it back and forth and then I just start to pull it down. I'm telling y'all, I don't know where I saw this and how I started doing this, but I just like started. And then you kind of want to like go around like the edges of like where you put that bronzer, so it's not like stark, you know. Oh, what's that? Okay, so you're gonna go back and forth, and then you're gonna start pulling it down, and then you're gonna like go around like the edges of like where you put your foundation stick. And that's just like gonna kind of like clean up, so you have like, look, you know, around there. And then I can go in and blend out my concealer under my eyes. I like to do like a little swipey motion. Again. Do we look crazy? I don't feel like we look all the way put together, but we look cute. We look better, you know? And you know what? I lie. I'm not even gonna say I don't know where I saw this. I don't know if y'all follow this girl on TikTok. Her name is Amaya. I think her last name is like Cologne or Colon or something like that. And she has a video that went super viral where everybody was doing it, where she did like her no makeup type of look, or no foundation type, and it was similar to this. So maybe I like subconsciously took it from there. So I'm gonna pat this out under my eyes, just kind of going somewhere. I'm gonna take my One Size setting powder, the pink one, and I'll just go under my eyes. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some on my chin, and I'm gonna do a little bit on my forehead. I low-key feel like the more powder I apply sometimes, the more oily I will get. So I've been trying to like lay off of how much oil or how much powder I'm using so that I don't get so oily. I'm using this Armani blush. This is the shade 61, yes. And I like this blush because it has like a little bit of a shimmer to it, but it's just like a really pretty, I feel like on camera it looks lighter than it is. In person it looks like a little bit more darker, a little bit more magenta-y. And I just like brush that at the top of my cheekbones, kinda. So with that, moving on to our next powder. This is the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the shade Toffee. And I'm just, girl, what is that? Oh, my flat iron is still on. I was like, why is it hot over here? Just a really big powder brush. And this is just gonna kind of like marry together everything. You cannot put blush on, y'all, and not blend it. You gotta blend it a little bit. This is brow gel from Jason Wu. I just really like how small it is. So I fill in first with the velour, and then I don't go back and like set my brows into place until after I'm done with all my powder. Then I'm using my Armani Eyes to Kill mascara. And I do just a little bit during the day because I don't like having to take off my mascara at night. It like really irritates my eyes. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of this. And then for my lips, I don't wear lip liner day to day. This is the Clarins lip oil. Yeah, the lip comfort oil and Pattaya #4. I already had a little bit of this on my lips before, but this is what I've been using lately. And I usually don't carry this in my purse. This just like sits on top of my vanity, and I just put it on when I'm done with my makeup. But that's like my everyday clean face looking makeup. Let's show it what it looks like with our hair down. I feel like you always get like a different feel, different look when you take your hair down. So that is our finished look. That's our finished makeup look. That's just, hopefully that's how y'all catch me out here in these streets. I've never met any of y'all in person before, but if I do, hopefully like you'll catch me looking like this, because it used to be that I would just look busted or like fully done up with glam because I just got done filming and I didn't feel like taking my makeup off. It was like either one or the other. It was never an in-between like this. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. I hope you liked this video. Now I gotta go get ready because it is 9:40. I'm supposed to be meeting my daddy at 9 o'clock downtown. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.